So we've been going through some shit. I don't know why this bike keep clicking. I'm assuming because the battery dead. We have to literally just unscrew this one off of there, unbend this because this was pressured onto the tire right there. Yeah, sir, man, that was some stuff right there. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. That bike, it was so much easier after I took off the floorboard. Too close. I'm telling y'all, get in and win it today. $25, you get the win. Enter for a chance to win the Lifted Silverado paired together with the 2019 Roadglide M8 Built by Dre 114 coming to you live from the channel, man. For the $25 silver bullet giveaway, only for the next few hours, because after that, it's back to 100, man. What up, YouTube? We back at it, man. It's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody and everyone on the channel tapped in right now, man. Happy Thanksgiving from me and mine to yours. I hope y'all having a magnificent, marvelous day right now, because your boy is, man. I'm juiced up, feeling good. It's Thanksgiving. We got a lot to be thankful for. We done came a long way in life in general, man. You already know what's going on. But we just had some packages getting ordered. We got some of the keychains on the way right there, man. Like I said before, we got the sliding keychains on hand. The sliding and hiding keychains is in production right now and going to arrive to your boy real soon. The Kicks by Dre red caps are on the way right now. And let me tell y'all, I appreciate everybody for all the support, ordering my merch and everything. Let me tell you one thing though, real quick. I said, the Kicks by Dre caps are on the way. Just give me a little time, man. It's coming to me. As soon as I get them, I'm going to ship them out immediately to you guys. But understand what I just said. That do not mean start commenting, I haven't received my hat. I know I have. Understand this. If y'all entered on my website, I have your name, your number, and your address. I got everything that I need from y'all at that moment, period. So it's on me now. So understand that. You don't have to comment and say, oh, I haven't got this. It's good. I'm putting in that work, getting it on the way to you, man. So just understand that. We got it coming to the channel, man. Like I said before, it's Thanksgiving. We got the $25 sale still going. It will be over with real soon. Maybe before the day is up, man. I'm telling y'all, get in and win it while you can, because it can be here for you today, literally. I'm telling you, you can get the bike and the truck, but you got to enter to win, and you got to get you a sliding keychain or a slide and not hiding keychain. The red Kicks by Dre caps are sold out, so stay tuned. We got some more caps on the way, but I may save them for the next giveaway, man. But like I said, stay tuned. We getting it in, making it happen, man. The keychains are going fast, so get in while you can, because I'm telling y'all, after today is back to $100. I might not even do the 50 no more. I'm telling y'all, for real. Literally. So get in, take advantage of the sale, y'all. I'm telling you, we got 75% off. You cannot lose, man. You're getting a truck and a custom built Harley built by Dre, man. You cannot lose. Take advantage of the sale, y'all. We sliding the hide. I'm about to get in this garage and clean up the yard and get it going, man. Yes, sir. We in the backyard right now, y'all. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at the motherfucking pool, dude. How are you supposed to deal with this? Like, I need some real answers, some real questions, y'all. We got this shit looking real crazy. All these leaves. All this shit. Everything back here looking a hot mess. This is nuts. It's fucking sick, y'all. How is your boy supposed to deal with this? That's crazy. Oh my God. We about to get this cleaned up, or try to. I can't do this though. I'm gonna fuck around and give me a good pool guy, pay him to do one good ass cleaning, get that brand new pool cover and cover it up and call it a day, because this is unacceptable. Yes, sir, man. So we are finally caught back on track. We in the garage, man. I know I made the video a few hours ago, damn near. I was packaging up a lot of orders, sending all the keychains out. Like I said, all the white sliding keychains I have on hand are heading out right now. The red Kicks by Dre hats should literally touch down any day this upcoming week. As soon as I get the rest of those hats, they're getting shipped off to you guys. My sliding and hiding keychains are literally getting made right now. Those should be to me in the next following week. So stay tuned, man. We getting it in, making it happen, man. We working, y'all. I'm telling y'all, we making it happen. If you see me kind of crazy, I'm telling y'all, it's like I was telling my boy, I do like 10 positions, like cameraman, I'm packaging, ordering labels, mechanic, transporting, editing, like literally it's a lot, but it's good. I appreciate the process, because I wouldn't rather do it no other way for nobody else. I'd rather do it for myself the way I've been doing it, because I literally can work for other people for the longest. So besides that, it's game time, y'all. It's time to get it in. Y'all already know this is the favorite part of my day, man. We ain't gonna open it all the way, but we definitely got to get some light in this joint, because people are very nosy. Let's put it down. That's way too high. There we go. Nah, that's still high as hell. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm a real, not even private. But just the fact that I just want my space, B. And that's it right there. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. We get in, we got the drop top in here. I'm telling you, let me tell y'all some real life stuff. Y'all don't know how many times I done tried to sell this car, and one of many things of mine, just being in a situation, and I always told myself, like, if I can hold on to it, I need to, but sometimes you be going through stuff and some stuff have to go. You got to sacrifice some stuff as part of the game because you can always get it back. My thing is, if I got it once, I can get it back twice, but I thank God I was able to really hold on to this car just to be able to have this opportunity to back it into the garage like this with the top down, because I'm telling y'all, I was like, man, the last thing I really wanted to do was finally be able to get me a house and have nothing to put in it. I'm like, that's not it. It's cool, but it's not it. I got all my cars still. I got the dirt bike, the jet ski, the boat, the RV. We got 1 or 2 trucks after this giveaway. We got the new one on the way. But like I said, man, we still got our stuff that we work hard as hell for, and that's the whole thing about it. It's okay to sacrifice some stuff, but if you don't have to, don't do it, man. We got to hold on to some stuff we work our ass off for. But like I said, man, we about to get the day going. Y'all see what's going on. We went and came up on a Roadglide in LA, y'all. We got the truck out here juiced up, man. Y'all see what's going on. Yes, sir. Enter the win for this silver bullet today only, right now for $25. This could be you with the bike in the back, except you're going to have a 2019. But y'all see what's going on. We got another Harley Roadglide in the back of this joint. We're about to get right. This is one of my boys' bike. Y'all seen on the video at the shop, man. They got a lot of them nice G-bodies and all type of stuff LS swapped in there, looking good and amazing. But we on a bike tip today, man. We had a little mini incident, y'all see. Has some little hidden damage up under there. The frame is good though. But y'all see we got the pipe off. The pipe actually bent, broke, popped off. Oh, snap. Yes, sir. Y'all see it, man. That is crazy. I didn't even think you could do that, but somehow, some way, man, they are good, and that's the main thing that matter. But we about to put our touch on it, get it right, and do what we got to do. That's for sure. New crash bar, new brackets. We're gonna for sure powder coat some stuff up. We ain't gonna take the frame off, but we're gonna get my man's right, man. Y'all know how I do. I like to get the colors on it and make it look like something. But first thing first, like I've been saying, we gotta handle what we already got, and then we gonna get to this. So that's what we not doing. We not about to get off track and off balance, man. We gotta continue what we was doing. So we about to get this to the frame doctor in the next few days, only because it's the holidays right now. After that, that's going to the frame doctor rolling. This thing should be ready this week, headed to the bay. It look crazy right now, but I had to bust it down because I had to put a lot of stuff together temporarily just to get it in the garage from the previous shop. Y'all know we didn't grew into this. We didn't just get this, but like I said, man, this thing is going to be on the way. We making progress day by day right now, getting it in, making it happen. The only thing we waiting on is the wheels. I have some custom rims that did not get made. So what I'm going to do is do the fastest thing I could do. At first, I was trying to get some enforcers like I had on my previous ones blacked out, but the guy don't even make those no more. But I talked to my rim guy. He got a 21 for me for those. So we're going to get that back rim cleaned up, get the front 21, throw it on the 2015 Roadglide because they come on a 19. So that's still going to be an upgrade with the new 21. So it's going to look good just like that last bike looked just as good in St. Louis, Missouri. For this joint, we are not going with these rims. We are getting some custom rims that is getting made that I definitely have on the way, and y'all are going to see when we get back to the rim shop in Los Angeles. So stay tuned if you want to see the rims we got made for this joint. Man, I'm telling y'all, it's about to be lit. But I know one thing for sure, I got to send this bike out with a nice touch built by Dre. So we're going to get them up on there with the 21. Have it iced up, looking good. You already see what's going on. We got that wet Antonio paint with the red washers with the chrome Allens. We got the bars in the house, freshly done, powder coated. We about to throw those on there with the feet. So stay tuned, man. We got it going in the shop, man. I'm about to get my boy to the dyno right here too. We've been having a lot going on with everything, but we about to get all these bikes on the way. But today, we about to get this off the truck and on the flow, man. So stay tuned. But before I do any of that, I got a clean baby car because that thing is dirty. So I'm gonna get her right, and then we're gonna get to these bikes. So stay tuned, man. We sliding, not hiding. Your boy is tired, man. I don't know if y'all caught on to everything your boy was doing, but my arms is whooped. We got it going. We got the car cleaned up. She definitely looking more iced up than me right now. I'm kind of jealous, y'all. We got this joint cleaned up, looking good. I know this for sure way better than that last black one she had. I like the little sparkles, but I'm telling you, we got it right. Got that armor raw. Looking juiced up, man. I'll see what it is. That's why I love detailing. I blame this shit on my dad. It's crazy. I really love to make something from nothing to something. Y'all see what it is, but we're about to get that bike off that truck now. We got her cleaned up, looking good. It's time to get this money, honey. Alright, so we're back on track now. We got that thing juiced up. We're about to get this bike off of this joint and get this thing bust down on the road and get it going. I'm telling you, the weather wasn't so crazy. I would put the drop out and put this up in there, but we got 3 joints we already been needing to work on, and this is what we work for to have that car up in there. So we're gonna use it for our availability and get it going. But we're about to get this thing offloaded, y'all. So I'm about to get this time lapse going for y'all, man. Let's see what it is. So we've been going through some shit. I don't know why this bike keep clicking. I'm assuming because the battery dead. When I had the ignition on, it just gets a clicking. It won't fire up. And I did notice yesterday I used a fucking jumper to cut it on, but I just tried to push it. I got it off the truck. It rolled back because the weight and the pressure. You cannot put it in neutral because of the shifter, so I have to roll back in gear. So right now, we almost got it going. We have to literally just unscrew this one off of there, unbend this because this was pressured onto the tire right there. So we finally got that off and free. I'm about to unscrew that, take that up off of there, and then we're about to roll this thing in the back, man. So stay tuned. We get into it, y'all, trying to make it happen. It's just crazy the things you got to deal with, and this bike is too heavy to be rolling. So we got to do what we got to do, man. Yeah, sir, man, that was some stuff right there. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. That bike, it was so much easier after I took off the floorboard brackets and the 2 rear brackets on that hold the bag in the back. After that, it made it so much easier. But before, I'm like, man, it's hard as hell. And I did realize the guy did jump it and fire it up in gear. So I had to do that. Now we got that right, got that out of the way. We got that thing back here looking that much better rolling. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. We got this thing juiced up. So we have to remove these crash parts right there. But don't even trip. We're going to be in our garage in a few hours. We got to just get some stuff done and get this thing on the way, man. But y'all see what's going on. We got it at the house. Coming to you, man. We about to fix all this up. He about to be dripped down. I'm telling you. That's why I love for y'all to see it just like this, man. I'm telling y'all. It's up, man. It's game time. You already know what's going on, man. Make sure y'all enter the win while the $25 sale is going, because I'm telling y'all, in the next few hours after y'all watch this video, it's going to be over with. We're too close. I'm telling y'all, get in and win it today. $25, you get the win. Enter for a chance to win the Lifted Silverado paired together with the 2019 Roadglide M8 Built by Dre 114 coming to you live from the channel, man. And I'm going to tell y'all some real shit. because all my other bikes I've been taking a while to where I'm literally still working on it, just like this bike right now, to where the giveaway is over. And that's why I'm turning it up so much more for this current Silver Bullet giveaway, because I'm about to have the bike done and rolling while the giveaway is still going. On top of that, we about to finally get in that motor and get us some engine work on these things so we can get one of y'all tuned up, ready to go, man. So just understand, we got a lot coming to y'all, man. And my biggest thing is, I'm gonna tell y'all the realest thing ever. We are not going live no time soon until all that merch is sent out. And I got everything on the way and on hand, so don't even trip. It could be faster than fast. So all you gotta do is do your part and get in to win it, because I'm doing mine right now, man, making it happen. I'm telling y'all, happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Hope y'all enjoying y'all day, because I definitely am. We getting it in, making it happen. But I'm about to go ahead and go get dressed and get in the shower and go throw some clothes, man. I was about to go try to get some work done today, but we've been doing enough, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. We've been running around all morning, packaging stuff, doing the most, and it's the holidays. This is a problem that I really have. I don't know when to stop to enjoy the time, so I'm about to put this down and enjoy my day, man. So make sure y'all enter to win for the $25 Silver Bullet giveaway only for the next few hours, because after that, it's back to 100, man. I'm telling y'all, enter to win, man. We sliding.